Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. We have a huge day ahead of us. How everybody doing? WHLR, what a crazy stock for today, man. This one is not available in Europe, guys, so we spotted this reversal early in our live streaming around the $3.23. So yeah, it was really great trade for our hunters. But again, if you live in Europe, this one is not available, unfortunately. Let me just show you when it happened, this reversal. It happened early on our live streaming, around 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Where's the... Yeah, WHR reversed really quickly. Yeah, it was here. Exactly there, guys. What a crazy reversal, man. This was, look with me, guys, closely. Yeah, the 3.22, it was our reversal zone for H or WHLR. We discussed this reversal entry early in our live streaming. And guess how much we did here? We did 45% reversal. And of course, as you can see here, we said the $4.69, it is the profit taken, ultimate profit taken. We went until the $4.80. So almost 10 cents, yeah, far from our profit taken. So yeah, WHR, it is number one, the strongest stock for today. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Martin Apollo, good morning. Bonjour, mon frère. George, thank you. You are welcome, man. You are welcome. I'm happy here to be with you guys. Where I'm gonna be, man, where Jesus will be if he's not in markets. Of course, market is fun. Sally, good morning, wherever you are, man. Garfield, is it in Arizona? In United States? Good morning, wherever you are, man. AMC GameStop, as said, I will check it. Aha, Kansas City. Kansas. Nice. There's a lot of songs has been written for this city, I think. South Carolina, Michigan. We have a lot of people from the United States. A lot of traders and hunters from United States. Orlando, Florida. Good morning. Big family. I can't wait to visit the United States, guys. This is on my list. If I visit the United States, I'm gonna visit all the states, guys. Motorcycle or minifan. Big crossing the states side from the east to west. This is on my list, guys. Coming to United States. Jesus will come to United States. Save United States. Make America great again. Good morning. Good morning. Perfect. We are all over the world. Germany, Montreal, Canada, United States. Where are the people from Middle East and Africa? This is crazy. The only people who traded is in Europe and North America. We don't have anybody from South America or Asia. This is crazy, man. I'm not being racist, guys, here, but this is kind of the trend. Number one is North America, then we have Europe. Oh, Katja from South Africa. Whoa. Okay. We have only one from South Africa representing Africa. So the only one from Africa is Katja, representing the whole Africa. So, guys, let's get right to it. So we got WHLR. If you just woke up right now, in whatever reason, you missed one of the best dips ever this week. WHR, we discussed it early on our exclusive live streaming on our Discord, guys. We discussed this one, even though we don't have it in Europe. It's really good. We said it's perfect technically. That's why we put it on the list with PMAX. We said the $3.22, it is the support as you see here, the first red line. And we said resistant 4 and the profit, ultimate profit is the 469. We hit the 480 right now and we pull back. It was great trade. You know why? Because we reversed almost 50% in just how many minutes? Let's see. Just 1 hour. 50% in 1 hour. This is madness, man. And the other one, PMX. PMX is not good anymore, guys. This one was really great because we catch this dip. This dip, it was really great here, guys. Reversal was around the $3.32 and we got 10% reversal. We suggest for our hunters to take their profit around this level. You see, guys, that's why we suggest always to take profit first around the first level of resistance because of this reaction, flushing down. If you're just holding, you're going to be down 23% instead of 10% up. So this is a good example for the people who never take profit. This is one of the reasons, flushing down, because we didn't break our resistance that we discussed early on our live streaming that we did earlier around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So for now, we only got, yeah, QBT is pulling back. So the only one that looked good is WHLR and ADTX. ADTX, guys, looking perfect. If we held the 18 right now, the 18 cent will be great for a reversal up as well. Major seller came just around the 24. We already discussed this one earlier because one of our elite members asked us about this. So yeah, ADTX and WHLR is the only ones that look good. DJT looking great for today, jumping 1%. Remember, guys, yesterday we did the nice swing trade. Let me just show you for our elite members. TSM have earning, guys, today pre-market. We did this chart analysis update yesterday before the market closed by 2 hours. And we suggest to take profit around the 221.19. Guess what happened? Of course, look at that. We hit our target perfectly at the market open. So we suggest to take profit here. We took profit there. Price pulled back. TSM had earnings today, guys. Even though the earnings were not good, the revenue is better. Today it could be good for another jump up because it's still holding the support. We got USB, we got Bank of America have earnings today, UNH. So we got many stocks here, guys. So Tesla trying to jump, Coinbase, Riot, Uber, SMSI. We're gonna do a major update for the swing trade for today, but we have to focus first on the ADTX. Let me just check if we got something else moving here. BMRA. Wow, BMRA jumping like there's no tomorrow. This one just came, yes, after we finish our live streaming. Wow, this one is jumping crazy, guys. I will see if we're gonna have an entry for it, but now, unfortunately, is overextended for my opinion. Yeah, it's way, way overextended here. I'm not gonna touch it until we have a pullback. BMRA. What else we got? Yeah, this is it. Let's see if we got something else here. Nothing much happening. Yeah, BMRA is pulling back now. It's overextended. ADTX has started to reverse, guys. Okay, guys, just as a reminder, if you just came right now, yeah, everybody talking about XRP, man. XRP is going like crazy right now. Yeah, going like crazy, 5% up. Anyway, guys, disclaimer, and of course, reminding everybody, because Monday is Martin Luther King birthdays. So if you live in Europe, remember next Monday the market will be closed here. The birthday of Martin Luther King. So let us wish everybody in United States happy birthday, everybody. Wish everybody good day, and of course happy National Day in the United States. So the market will be closed on Monday. You know what's gonna happen? There's no trading, no live streaming on Monday. We're gonna come back on Tuesday. And of course, tomorrow I'm gonna take time off, guys, on trading, taking a bit of time off, just Friday. So we're gonna go back on Tuesday, the 21st of January, okay? No live streaming for tomorrow, just tomorrow, guys, okay? So the live streaming will resume on Tuesday, 21st of January. And of course, if you are one of our elite members, please, if you have any questions, Night Rider and Fluorine and the other hunters, please post it just after we finish our live streaming here on YouTube, because after 1 hour from there or around 5 p.m. CET, I will not be available to respond on your question. Okay. I will be back on Tuesday to respond to your question in the pre-market. But for now, just after 1 hour from our live streaming on YouTube, I will be not available. Just in case if you have any question, please post it before. Thank you for your understanding. For now, guys, as we said, we're gonna have a long weekend for this week or the next week. So today we might have a good day. We already have a good day since we did this trade. TSM hit our profit taken from yesterday. This one swing trade we did yesterday for our elite members. If you're wondering, and if you didn't see this one, is mean you are not on the elite level. So if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade from the king, the elite level, in order to have the live alert, swing trade, live streaming, everything. You're gonna have access to everything we have. And now, perfect. Thank you, Florine, for your understanding. Thank you, man. So for now, what we got, of course, we've got BMRA, we got ADTX, and WHLR. Those the only three stocks for today, guys. For day trade stocks, at least. Let us see if we got something else moving here. I'm gonna check if we got something moving. We got WHLR, BMAX. Let's see. Yeah, PMAX have 4.5 billion market acquisition strategy. That's why it's jumping. We got this one, but light on market cap is really small. DOUYU SEZL jumping 28. SEZL. Yeah, light on volume. So yeah, we're gonna stick with those stocks. Only those. IFBD 19%. What else we got here? Hologram jumping 10%. BPAI, INTZ. It was one of the top losers. Let's see the top losers. We got ATRA 48% and LFLY, SGBX, yeah, SGBX, one of the top gainer now is the top losers. Anyway, so we only got those stocks, guys. BMRRA, I'm waiting for a dip around the 82 and 71 at the market open because now it's overextended. Adtx, I'm waiting for the reversal. Yeah, now we should have a reversal over the 18, guys. If we don't hold this level, it means we continue to go down toward the 16. WHLR still looking good for the $4. If we have the full dollar, would be great for today. QUBT, it is on the downside, guys. Yeah, we might have a big drop for QUBT because it's overextended right now. PMAX, it is dangerous to trade for now. If we broke the 179, which is the current support, this means we gonna flush. This is the current resistance right now around 216. I'm gonna put back the profit taken here. DJT is moving. Let's see DJT. Whoa, DJT is moving perfectly. A new high, I think. Yeah, it's getting tight. We might have a good action for DJT, guys, for today. We might have a good action for DJT. VRME, take it from the list. I'm gonna narrow down the list, guys. I'm only keeping the high active, high probable stock. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. GameStop, let's see. Nothing much for GameStop. How much time we got left? Almost how everybody doing? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Remember, we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Only tomorrow, guys, we're not gonna have any updates on our Discord and even here on YouTube. We're gonna come back on Tuesday, of course, in pre-market to discuss the market, of course. But Friday, we're gonna take time off for Friday, guys. It's good to take time off sometimes to recoup and of course to come clean and focus. Good morning, Amjad. Hologram is running. I'm gonna check hologram. BMRA, yes, black unicorn. Why is black, man? Don't be racist. Martin Apollo, why you call it black unicorn? Explain yourself. Hologram running because have a relationship with BMRA. Yeah, 12%. Hologram, man, is near the bottom here, and it dropped big time. So I don't like this drop, man. Almost 80%. But as we learned, Hologram is unusual stock. So even a drop like this could reverse easily. So we have to keep our eyes close to Hologram. Let us check if we got some news here for yeah, Hologram is here on the top stocks. 10 minutes ago, we have some news, guys, for Hologram, microcloud, Hologram, develop quantum bit rotation based signal, quantum, to enhance big data privacy protection. Interesting. We always have quantum computing, guys. Everything with quantum computing, before we have any stock related with crypto or mining going up. Right now, quantum computing, encryption, all the stock have relation with this go up, and then we have some stock related to AI going up. And the years before, we have energy stocks, uranium stocks, EV stocks. like green energy stocks. So every year we have some stocks or some sector perform better than the other. Right now we have quantum stocks, or regarding any quantum encryption or protocol or computing, it is the stocks that we should look for. Anyway, let's see. BMRA jumping up again, guys. BMRA doesn't want to reverse down. Hologram, or we got 7 minutes left. Hologram, yeah, it could run, but the resistance is a bit far right now. It's around the $2.87. So I'm gonna put it on the maybe list. We got BMRA, Adtx, WHLR. Whoa, WHLR reversing again from the 4. Strongest support for today. BMRA, the same, reversing. We got a seller around the $1.10. So this is a dangerous zone, guys, because here we might get rejected because it's overextended, for my opinion. Here we don't have like a proper reversal. The proper reversal should happen here, otherwise it will be too dangerous. 5 minutes left. So, what a day, man. Guys, hit the like button on the way and subscribe. Show some support. Let's hit the 50 like. Come on, guys. And of course, happy Martin Luther King in advance. Monday, the market will be closed, everybody. So we're going to have a long weekend. BMRA, low float. What's the float for BMRA? Let us check here. Let us check. What's the float? The float, whoa, it's really low. Yes, just 14. Crazy, just 14 million. So anything ranging between the 20, even 50 and below is really good. Sometimes we have stocks have like 2 million share floats, which it have easier chance to squeeze like this. 200, 300, 1000%. The lower the float, the higher chance for squeeze, but not 100% because we have other factors, like right buyers, right short seller covering up, good news, so we got many factors affect the price, but the float volume kind of big factor. So BMRA is the strongest stock for today, 200% before the market open. After that, we have ADTX and WHLR. Remember, if you live in Europe, this one, it is not for us, is not there. So don't bother looking at it. Don't even bother and waste your time. Get FOMO about this one. Let's see. INQ pulling back, Lunar pulling back, VRME. PMAX started to reverse from a huge bottom, man. Okay, let us see yeah, we have 4 minutes left. TSM is still moving. USB pulling back, pulling back. UNH pulling back up. Wow, TSM, guys. TSM, we got unusual buying pressure before the market open. Oh man, TSM could be good for today, guys. It could be really good here. Okay, disclaimer, guys. Disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed. And of course, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And remember, we never run after the price and let the price come to you. Let us have a green day for today. And of course, tomorrow, just as in case, guys, tomorrow we're not gonna be live. We're gonna take time off. We're gonna come back on Tuesday. Okay? Don't say, Jesus, where are you? Don't worry. I'm coming back on Tuesday, taking time off. And Monday, because the market will be closed, so we come back on Tuesday. Pre-market, of course, if you are one of our Discord member, we're gonna come back to take your question and everything on Tuesday pre-market, okay? For now, let us have a green day. We got just 2 minutes left. Let us have a huge day for today. And of course, remember, yesterday we did the nice trade for TSM. This one was on our elite one-day swing trade. It hit our profit taken in the pre-market. We took profit. Now there's another level to break. If we broke the 222, TSM will go to all-time high and squeezing up again. We'll see if we might trade this one. USB is pulling back. This one could be good for a dip, guys, at the market open as well. We'll see if we're gonna have a nice dip for. Let's see. We might have 11% down. Usually 6. So this one could jump down at the market open like now, 6%. From here to there, here to there. Yeah. So TSM is looking interesting. 1 minute left, guys. So I'm gonna bring TSM. I'm gonna bring USB back, UNH, maybe Tesla and coin SMCI, maybe Uber as well. Uber. Okay, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Let us have a green day for today. DJT looking great as well for today, Hunt. Yeah, 30 minutes left. Let's have a good day. As we said, TSM was really great yesterday for a swing trade. We did this chart analysis update for our hunters. Swing trade was good. WHLR, I'm going to take it from the list because we don't have it on our broker. Adtx looking good. BMRA jumping and squeezing. This one, it is really dangerous, man. I really wanted to go down because right now it's overextended. Yeah. Okay, market is open, guys. Let's get right to it. TSM is pulling back. USB. We might have a reversal for USB now. Okay, okay. TSM is pulling back big. USB, it could be good for reversal, guys. USB here. If it held the 47, would be good for a huge reversal. We have bad earnings, that's why we're going down. UNH, the same. SMCI jumping, guys, big time. SMCI jumping, DJT jumping, ADTX holding the support tightly, the 18. BMRA is expected to pull back now. It's kind of overextended, guys. Too much for me to trade this one. Yeah, TSM, undecision here. Yeah, we got undecision for TSM. USB, light on volume. You know, USB is, I like it to buy the dip, but is really light on volume. So I'm a bit have a bit of doubt to trade this one. I will put alert if we pull back before or below the 46.98. I will buy if we go toward the 44, but now nope. Back of an America, of course, this one as well. I'm gonna buy if we pull back here. Other than that, I will leave it. UNH is fighting. Yeah, it's fighting. We got some support here. But again, light on volume, man. I don't trust it. SMCI, what a nice jump, man. ADTX is going toward a really good bottom here. Short seller added their position just around the 20 cents, so that's why we're pulling back now. BMRA, I'm gonna leave it, man. There's no entry here. I think it's halted now. We have a huge FOMO for this one. This is not normal. Yeah, it's halted around the 118, I think. Holy moly, TSM is moving. We mightn't have a new high for TSM here. Yeah, the 220.87 should be the resistance to break. Okay, DJT trying to break the 43. GameStop, nothing much. We got dots is moving. TDUB, no good. KITT, light on volume today. INQ, nope. PMIX, game over here. QBT, WHLR still holding the 4. So it's still good, man, this one. Tesla is in red today, putting back down. Yeah, still correcting. Are you kidding me, man? TSM is crazy now. It's testing. Yeah, TSM is going, guys. It's going. TSM is going to Valhalla. We have the 230, 190. We might go there. But first we have to break the 222.20. If we broke this level, we might go to all-time high. Yeah, current support right now is 218.62. VMR is unhalted right now. Adtx, no good, man. This is not good. It's pulling back below the support. So we're gonna go to the other support, the 14 cent. Yeah, TSM's trying to break the 222 right now. BMR, as we said, guys, this is it. We should have a pullback. 94 is the current support. TSM trying to go to all-time high. The 222 should be the level to break. Let's see. We might have the same reaction that have happened to Palantir and Nvidia. TSM is semiconductor stock, guys. We got a turning point here. If we broke this resistance, all hell break loose. TSM will squeeze. SMCI, no good for today. Uber, ADTX, DJT, nothing. WHLR, guys, is about to squeeze here. And TSM, the same. If we broke the 222, we're gonna squeeze. So I'm gonna put alert just in case over that. QUBT broke the support. It's still flashing down. UNH. Yeah, it's still light on volume. Back. Nothing. USB. TSM. Still trying to break the 222, guys. This is it. If we broke this resistance, guys, game on. ADTX is still holding the bottom, guys. AIFF 7% up. Yeah, AIFF is testing the resistance. What's the good support for Unity? I'm gonna check it. PHUN is going up. TSM is pulling back down. We have unusual reaction here. I don't like this reaction, man. We should have broke already the 222. Is pulling back. So we have this. We have that level 217.08. Yeah, PMR is pulling back, guys. Time for a huge pullback. Adtx holding. DJT, nothing much. WHLR got squeezed down. Unity. Let's check Unity. Oh, no good. There is no clear entry for Unity right now. Support is not clear. We have a big seller around the 2357. So I'm not gonna touch Unity right now. It's not the right place to buy at the moment. Yeah, TSM, and we are on the sideline right now. Look at this wick, guys. We have big buyer, big seller. We have undecision right now for TSM. Huge undecision. Big bet, guys. Big bet right now. We have a huge fight between the buyers and sellers. If TSM broke the 222, we're gonna go to all-time high and squeeze. If we didn't, we're gonna flush down. And I have my eyes on the 217. You see, big seller came, man. No good, man. No good here. If we don't hold over the 217, game over. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. The technical looking still good. This is the last chance for the short sellers. They fighting, man. They fighting. Still fighting. The 222. The three twos. It is the long or the strongest resistance for TSM. If we don't break this level, game over. Adtx reversing. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, AIFF. I'm gonna put it on the list. It's trying to break out here. AIFF trying to break the $4. Watch out, guys. AIFF doing all right. I think we did a short analysis update for you guys. AIFF here, no? Yeah, we did it yesterday. We said the 3.70 is the resistant, profit taken 409. And we hit the profit taken today. Okay, TSM game over, guys. Unfortunately, if we broke the 217, game over, for my opinion. Oh God, no. If we don't reverse now, it's game over. Yeah, ADTX game over. TSM still game on. If we held here, would be game on. Otherwise, would be game over. Come on, reverse. God. Okay. No good, man. TSM, no good. Abort the mission. Everything's pulling back now. Volunteer pulling back, SMCI, Uber jumping up, right, pulling back, Coinbase, Tesla, UNH, kind of jumping up, back, USB, kind of reversed. What the? Anyway, so BMRA guys looking great here. Still holding the support, 94. DJT, we have a really good jump at the market open, but the short seller is still there, guys, around the 43.25. WHLR, nothing much, is getting near the $3.56. AIFF, guys, is really light on volume, is up 8%, but I don't like the momentum. It's light on the momentum here. So I'm gonna take it from the list. TSM is still undecided because we got shorted here. 222 is the strongest resistance for today. If we don't break it, we're gonna flush down. And I think you see it's continued to flush now. Oh, it's really crazy. TSM is really crazy. Look at that. We have a big buyer here. Yeah, huge buyer. So I will stop watching TSM because it's really dangerous to buy here. Anyway, DATS, oh man, that's jumping, coming back from the dead. That's is coming back from the dead. Martin Apollo, watch out for that. We got resistance coming up right now around the 634. 634 should be a resistance zone. Bottom is the $3. So yeah, it's getting risky now because the 634, it is a major resistance. So there's a pullback happening coming up around the 640, give or take. WHLR, game over, guys. No good anymore here. If we broke the current bottom here, the 3.26 will be game over. Be careful, guys. WHLR is not good now. BMRA is preparing for a flush. This one is preparing for a flush. I can feel it. DJT is not flushing, man. It's not flushing yet. DJT and options, I don't recommend this, man. DJT and option is like playing gasoline with fire. If you're a professional in circus, you can play gasoline with fire, of course. You have to be a professional. INQ reversing, I will check it right now, man. INQ is there. Yeah, it's reversing from the 3614. Exactly. The 3619. Current resistant, it is around the 41. And if we held the 36, we might go toward the 4097, then 45, then the 50. Current bottom, watch out, if we broke the 36, the best entry should be over the 3228. This is for INQ, so I'm gonna put INQ down because it look really good now. That's $6.40, brother. $6.40 should be a pullback with major resistance. Guys, hit the like. As a reminder, if you just join us right now, guys, if you just join us right now, yesterday we did a really good swing trade for, of course, of our elite members for TSM, hit our target profit taken, and we suggest for exit because we suggest for a pullback for TSM. TSM now reversing is unusual activity here on the bottom. TSM is still strong. We got other stock that we traded today. We discussed WHLR. This one was on our live streaming for today. We discussed the entry and exit early on our live streaming here. Let me just show you when. Yes, it was just right there. We discussed the bottom entry as you see here around the 3.22, and we suggest for profit taking right there around this 4.69. So this was a really good trade. We traded Pmx, and of course now for the pre-market or on the market open, we watch it BMRA, but I'm watching for a pullback because it's overextended right now. And of course, as a reminder, guys, next week, the market on Monday will be closed for the Martin Luther King Jr. Okay, so the market will be closed. Don't cry. We're going to come back on the 21st of January. And of course, tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is just for you, just to know that we not gonna go live. We're gonna take time off. So Friday, no live streaming, no updates, but we're gonna come back, take your questions and respond to all your questions on Tuesday. So if you are on our Hunters channel here or Bitcoin, we're gonna respond on your question and stock request on Tuesday pre-market. Okay, so Friday I will not be available. Even today after we finish our live streaming, after we finish live streaming by 30 minutes 1 hour, I will not be available. So if you are on the elite level, please let me know if you have any request, whatever. after we finish our live streaming by 1 hour. After that, I will be offline. Taking time off, really important, guys, to come back, focus, and ready for the market. So we're gonna be ready to hunt again on Tuesday, on the 21st of January, after the market close on Monday. So in advance, happy birthday for everybody who live in the United States. Hopefully you enjoy the holidays and see you back on Tuesday, of course. So let us do a very recap for what's going on. We got BMRA, the one of the top stocks in the health sector. This one have a support around the 94, and resistance right now is around the 127, target 150. DJT is still struggling because we got near the resistance, the 43.25. That's why we're pulling back toward the support. So we are in midway. WHLR still holding the current support, which is over the $3.23. If we held, we're going to have a reversal. Current resistance at the moment is still around, or you know what? We kind of have a new resistance right now around this level, the $4. So the $4, it is the resistant for WHLR. That's got shorted just below the $6.40, as we said, guys. Wow, it's pulling back now. INQ got near the bottom, that's 36. Not bad. Yes, we have another bottom if we went down around the 32. And yeah, let's see. Let's see the swing trade stocks here. We got Coinbase down a bit, Tesla is down a bit, Riot, Uber, SMCI, nothing much, Palantir, nothing much. Let's see, TSM still below the 222. USB or US Bank, it's going down. Gonna take this off. Bank of America as well, neutral for today. UNH, nothing much. SLB, nothing much. Okay, so yeah, BMR trying to break here, guys. What's happened for DJT? Nothing much, man. It's still below the resistance. Bitcoin, or let's see. Yeah, this one have a resistance now around 19. Have a target around the 21 and 24. Current support for now, if we don't want to have a flush again, is the 16. But I don't like that the trend. The trend is not good. Mm, someone asked about Palantir. Palantir, unpredictable right now. We don't have a clear resistance. We have clear support, but the resistance is shady here for me. So yeah, it started to reverse from the 63, but I wanted to go down more to buy the dip. Yeah, DJT is pulling back. The reason, guys, we pull back big this time because we got near the resistance. It's like you coming near a hyena or a crocodile, and you just touching it and play with it. Then the crocodile take and eat your hand and cut your hand because you come close to the predator, you know? If you want to come near like an animal, you have to be ready. You have a gun or have like iron armor to protect yourself. So that's what happened for DJT. It's got near to a predator, a shark, or let's say crocodile or hyena. And of course, hyena have the strongest bite, I think, in animal kingdom. So of course, if you put your hand in front of a hyena, they will cut it off. They will eat it. Dots is going again. Yeah, it's going again. Yeah, we didn't test the resistant yet, so it's going to test the 640 something. It is kind of overextended here. Yeah, dot is moving perfectly strong. It's getting near a major resistance here, guys. So it's backed a bit and pulled back. Yeah, the most strongest stock right now is DOTS and BMRA. But BMRA, guys, is preparing for a flush here. It's preparing for a big flush. Before I forget, guys, shout out to our new member for today. Let's see. I think we have a new member. I don't know where he's gone. Yeah, we have a new member, Shajan Sandramotrli. I don't know how to pronounce your name, man. It's a bit hard. Shajan. I think you are from Middle East, from India or something. Shajan. Welcome our new member and Discipline Hunter. Thank you for the support, brother, for our community on YouTube. Really appreciate it. Dots, Falahala. Not yet, man. Not yet. DJT, nothing much. WHL, nothing much. BMRA is pulling back. So yeah, DOTS is the only one that's moving right now. The only one that look active. Let's see again if we have something moving in the top gainer list. DOTS number one, 55%. Let's see if we have some news for it right now. Last news was direct offering 5 million 8 days ago. We have FSI. Let's see the halted stock. BMRA is still halted, guys, halted down. We have KBSX and FSI got halted before. FSI and this one. This one is dead. And FSI light on volume. BMRA, guys, is halted down. So if we got unhalted below the 96, is mean we're gonna flush. No, we're still over the 94. I think we're halted again. No? Wow, QBT reversed nicely. Hmm. Yeah, that's should go down. Major resistance right now around the 660. If we don't pull back, it means we're gonna go toward the 738 now. What's going on with Uber, guys? Uh-huh. We have analysts raised the price target to 100 from the 95. Wow, we have a strong buy. Strong buy, guys. That's why jumping right now. Uber upgraded to buy. Here's what you should know. Uber is a choice for investor given its recent upgrade. This rating change essentially reflect to upward trend in earnings estimate, one of the most powerful force impacting stock price. Wow. Yeah, Uber looking great, man. Let's see in the big picture. Yeah, in the big picture, you see, we have a nice trajectory here for the trend. Everything changed here back in January 2023. We have a correction in March last year, and now we might have a really good jump up again. The earnings will be on February, after 2 weeks from now. We have a revenue here, 10 billion, 11 billion, 11.76. So the revenue is really increasing. We have the earnings increasing. Yeah, the trajectory is really good. Yeah, we might have a nice run before the earnings. But the problem is we got strong resistance coming. Price under this, give it 89, so new all-time high. Not bad for 7% jump here, maybe. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, Uber looking interesting. Anyway, BMR is still holding the support. Dots, nope. The short seller saying nope yet. DJT is still fighting. Let's see if we got BMRA interesting big buyers on the $1. Yes, fluorine. So BMRA, brother, watch out for the support. As long as we hold this support, the 94 is okay. Otherwise, if we don't break the 126, is mean we flush down. And the best entry after that, we have the 72, and the bottom is the 43. If we broke the 126, we have the 152 and the 2.20 for BMRA. This is it. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. Thank you for watching. Remember, tomorrow there is no live streaming, just tomorrow, okay? We're gonna go back on Tuesday next week because Monday the market will be closed for Martin Luther King Jr., which is a holiday in the United States. And of course, if you are on Discord and Patreon, I will not be available after 30 minutes from now. So if you have any question, please leave it right now in our Discord. I will reply as soon as possible. After that, I will be offline, no internet, nothing. Try to be Buddha. Try to be Zen master. Taking time off, guys, for tomorrow. And of course, coming back on Tuesday, clear and focused to hunt together. Okay, great hunt for today. If you traded with us, TSM, it was a really good swing trade. We snatched 7% on this trade. Not bad for today hunt. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you back on next Tuesday. For now, BMR is breaking the support. Fluorine, watch out. BMRA is breaking the support, and it is, I think, is halted down right now. So watch out. BMRA is going toward the 72 and the 43 right now for a reversal from there. I think you're typing right now regarding BMRA. I think you are typing BMRA. ADTX, any good? ADTX, I took it from the list for a reason, man. ADTX, any good? I think is no good. No, no good, man. No good anymore. No good. If you hear me, Night Rider, ADTX, no good. Okay, perfect. BMRA is going toward the 62. Dots, guys, is pulling back. Finally, it's pulling back toward the 537. DJT is still below the 43.25, so it's no good yet. WHLR is game over, guys. Here is really weak. It was really good in the pre-market. Now is not good. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna do a swing trade for our hunters, okay? Night Rider, I think you didn't trade this one, TSM. If you trade TSM and PT at X, which snatched 10%, you could have been really good right now. But we have two swing trade, brother, for you later on. I'm gonna put the swing trade here on the King Elite swing trade. Those swing trade will be, of course, swing trade. So one for tomorrow and the other for the coming days. So stay tuned for this swing trade, Night Rider. There's always opportunity. Don't say the day is not good because the market is not closed yet. So I'm going to do two swing trades and I will wrap up my day because I will stop trading for today, guys. I will be offline. So after we finish our live streaming right now, I'm going to do a swing trade, two swing trade for you guys. And after that, see you back on Tuesday next week. Have a nice weekend and good holiday in a nice state. And thank you for watching, guys. See you next week.